Hey there, today I'm sharing some top quality products that are not only safe for your little one, but also safe for the environment. Stay tuned. Hey mama, welcome back to the Kids OT Help channel. If you're new here, my name is Nicole. I'm a mama, I'm a pediatric occupational therapist, as well as a certified lactation counselor. And on this channel, I'm sharing all of my education from these roles to help make motherhood just a little bit easier on you. So if that sounds like something you're totally into, consider clicking the subscribe button for weekly helpful tips. All right, so I'm super excited because today's video is sponsored by Green Toys. So if you're not familiar with the company Green Toys, they are based here in the United States and they make children's toys from 100% recycled plastic. So when I mention good for the environment, they get a big green check there. It's also a quality product for your kiddo as it is BPA free, phthalate free, and PVC free. I've actually been familiar with this brand for quite some time as my little one is 3.5 years old, and this brand is actually sold in some grocery stores like Sprouts or Whole Foods. So my little one has picked out toys in the store from this brand. And as an occupational therapist, what I love about this brand is that none of their toys, to my knowledge, require any batteries. They don't make sounds. They don't have crazy lights going off. It's all about imaginative play, which is so important for our little ones and our toddlers, right? We need them to learn to be able to entertain themselves, and these toys foster that. Additionally, I'm drawn to this brand because all of their products are so high quality. You could have the most rambunctious kid that there is, and these toys probably are not falling apart. They're not flimsy at all, and they can be passed down from older brother or sister to younger brother or sister, and probably generations because it's that high quality. So Green Toys was gracious enough to send over a large box filled with toys. And I wanted to highlight a few of my favorites because I know the holiday season is right around the corner and parents are always looking for quality gift ideas for their little ones or another special little one in their life. So I'm gonna share them with you today. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first one on my favorites list is the ferry boat. And I thought this was a lot of fun because you've got the two cars inside the boat and there's actually a retractable ramp. So you can pull that out and you can load or unload the cars and then push the ramp back inside. I know so many kiddos love cars as well as boats, so it's a really cool combination and something that can spark your little one's imagination for quite some time. Next up is this adorable tea set, and I love that there are room for 4 people in this tea party. And additionally, you can have your kiddo practice pouring, right? Like it's a functional skill that they're going to need to work on. So filling it up with water and pouring the water into the cups is absolutely a functional skill that we should be teaching our toddlers or our preschoolers. So I thought this was a really fun way to teach a lifelong skill. Next up is the Toy Maker dough set. And what I noticed about this set that I thought was adorable is each of the molds is actually a toy that Green Toys produces. So there's like the recycling truck and there's different molds for the toys that they actually make. So I thought that was super cute. It also comes with a plastic knife so your little one can practice cutting, which I thought is great. And when I put on my OT hat, I'm super excited about this set because cutting the Play-Doh with a knife is absolutely working on hand strength. And if you want to work on finger strength, you can use the spaghetti extruder. So your little one places some Play-Doh inside of the tube, and then they're going to use the cap to squeeze the Play-Doh through the extruder. So that takes quite a bit of strength. So of course, this is a really fun way to strengthen your little one's hands and fingers. This particular set comes with 2 tubs of Play-Doh. So I have the green and the yellow. But you can absolutely buy a set of just regular Play-Doh, or you can make your own Play-Doh if you're into that. So I absolutely see this set being one that is used for many years to come, especially if you have multiple kiddos in your family. All you gotta do is swap out the Play-Doh as it starts to get old and hard. Last, but of course not least, is the Bake by Shape set. Oh my gosh, you guys, I got so excited when I saw all the pieces that make up this set. There's an egg whisk, there's measuring cups, there's a recipe book, And I open up the recipe book and there are things like banana bread recipes, there's cupcake recipes, there's blueberry muffin recipes. I believe there's even a French toast recipe. So this is so much fun. Boys or girls would love this set. Kai's really into helping whisk eggs, so I got super excited to see the egg beater in there. And so probably my favorite part about this set is that Green Toys had the genius idea of using the measuring spoons as different shapes. So your little one's not gonna know or be able to read a teaspoon, right? But if it's broken up by shape, you can say fill the star up or fill the circle up to get the correct measurements while your little one's helping you to bake. So I thought that was so genius. So by buying this set, your little one is learning their shapes. They're also getting hand strengthening in, as there's the rolling pin, there's a frosting knife, there's the egg whisk, and there are so many amazing fine motor skills and cognitive skills and language skills that are being learned by engaging in this simple set. So good on you, Green Toys. I absolutely love this set. Everything that I mentioned in this video will be linked in the description box below if you want to check it out and learn more about these products. All right, Mama, I hope you found this video helpful and you have some continued inspiration for the holiday season that is basically here. If you have any questions about this, please drop it below. Let me know what you guys think about Green Toys if you've ever purchased items from them before. I'm a big fan, but I'd always love to hear what you guys think. I hope you're having a lovely day and I will see you in the next video. Bye.